Hello and welcome to the Power Rule Made Easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do the power rule for derivatives and integrals. This is a very basic rule, so you will learn it and you'll be able to do well on your next test and get an A easily. So the first thing we're going to do is the derivative of x to the power of 3. Now the first step is to put the exponent out front. So we put 3 out front. Next, we subtract 1 from the exponent. And that's the answer. Simple as that. We take the exponent, move it out front, and then subtract the exponent, minus 1, and that's it. So next, let's do the integral. Now the integral is the reverse of that. So we add 1 to the exponent, and then divide by 3. And then, as with any integral, we always add the constant of integration. And that's the answer. And we're right back to what we started with before we took the derivative. So remember, the process of the power rule for integrals is to add 1 to the exponent and then divide by that exponent. So let's do another example. So let's take the derivative of x to the power of negative 2. And remember, bring the exponent down. So the exponent is negative 2. We put that at the coefficient. Then we subtract 1. Now here it's important to remember the number line. Whenever we are subtracting, we're moving left to the number line. So negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, because we're going left on the number line. And here's the answer. Negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3. Now let's do the integral of this. So here it is. First thing we do is we add 1 to the exponent and then divide by the exponent. And again, like with any integral problem, we add the constant of integration. And always remember to add the constant of integration. That's very important. And the answer, back to the start again. So that's all there is to it. To recap, whenever you do the power rule for a derivative, you put the exponent out front and then subtract 1 from the exponent. And the integral is just the reverse of that. You add 1 to the exponent and then you divide that exponent. So here it is. I hope you can do well on your next homework problem, your next homework set, and your next test. Always remember, you are a smart, capable person, and you can learn anything you want to. Please like and subscribe, and I will bring more videos making calculus easy. Bye.